Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? Friends, today we discuss negative effect of social media. Social media are applications, website and computer-based technologies that allow for sharing of information, networking for careers, ideas. It is also used as meaning of communication and expression of feelings. It involves the use of internet-based applications, user-generated content such as videos, digital photos, posts and comments. Social network are virtual communities. This paper discuss the negative effect of social media, how it affects people and the society, and how the negative effect can be prevented. Some of positive effects of social media include the opening up of communication barriers, seeing as people all over the world can interact over these platforms without having to incur the heavy charges of telephones calls like before. Families get to communicate and people get to make new friends and learn about different cultures. Students can use the platform for research and discussion on curriculum topics. Information in terms of news is based on the people through these medium. It has changed the way business take place in recent time, with traditional method of marketing being replaced by the use of social media to get the message across to many people in varying places. Relationships are built by using social media both business wise and on individual level, while communication speed up. Social media also has its share of negative effect that affect the society and individual differently. There is evidence of cybercrime that take place where people are billed by their online friends and terrorized in the front of others. These kinds of attack can leave mental scar and sometimes lower the self-esteem of those builded, sometimes when driving them to suicide. Several cases of people who have taken their lives after not being able to handle the pressure that come with the ordeal. Some of them are young teenagers in their adolescence. The anonymity that is offered by social media serve to inhibit dark impulses of people who enjoy bullying others while hiding their true identity. Social media used in business as a mean of communication with customer and marketing service and product can also lead to low productivity of employees. The social media site provide a great distraction to employees who find themselves interacting with friends instead of carrying out the tasks required of them. Research done show that companies sometimes lose millions when productivity reduced due to these social sites. The use of social media encourage people to be more open about their personal lives and as such overlook all the precautions that should be taken when providing information about oneself. Information that is posted remains available to other people who access it and know one's whereabouts and detail of their lives, such as their places of residence. It might promote crime scene. People can find out where you are and sometimes even gets in the way of simple things such as job applications. If image posted with bad social behavior find their way to the employer of the interview, private information and photos of individual data needed to open profile on the social site might fall into the wrong hands and up being used in legal or demeaning context, such as pornography sites where alternations are made on picture to make one seem like they are doing something in real life. Degradation of health is experienced as people are now used to sitting for long hours while on these sites, which interfere with blood circulation in the body and might also result in back and neck problems. Obesity is a threat as people do not exercise because of using the internet for long hours. Staring at a screen for long hours can also lead to eyesight problems. Action that be taken to prevent these negative effects include the use of new technology that block the use of social media during hours to increase the productivity of employees. Parents should be urged to make routine checks of their children's use of social media to avoid any case of them being target of cyberbullying. When joining social media site, individuals should be encouraged to check filters before offering personal and private information about themselves that might fall into wrong hands. People need to aware of the negative effect of social media and encourage not to spend too much time on it to avoid the occurrence of these negative effects. Instead, they should be encouraged to concentrate on their physical surrounding instead of technology since it poses harm to human mind relationship between people and even behavior of individuals. Friends, this is my video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.